back to Mapleberry Farm. So my cousin threw this temporary set of stairs together. We're going to throw it on the door on the back side of the house now that it's in, so we have another place to come in. There's a good chance that we could, once we clean this up here, this area, that, I mean, it's a little muddy there, but I could see us parking over this way more. And then maybe walking in this door on this side of the house, and then maybe put a closet there, a closet right there, or like when you go into the right to throw your boots and coats and whatever like that. It just seems like it would make sense like to be parking there. Too bad we didn't get the guy to throw some rock here. Maybe we'll do that in the future, get a little more rock put up to here or something, because it seems like it would make sense. But
yeah, that definitely.
we've got a whole bunch of stuff here that's got to be cleaned up. I know there's lots of people that want that cleaned up ASAP. It'll happen. We got to clean some of it up now just to get the stairs in there, so that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to just screw these stairs on so we have a way in.
Look at this thing here. This is an LED portable flashlight camping lantern from Etekcity. We had them sent to us and they're really cool. We've had a lot of products, or a few products sent to us from this company, and we just love them. These flashlights come with batteries in them and they're magnetic. I'll show you, I'll put it on my fridge. Here's the fridge. Here's the lantern. Cool, eh? And then to open it, you just pull these up. You just pull on it. Look at that thing. Here, I'll take you into a dark room. You can change the settings on it. This lantern is awesome. They're way better than most of the ones we've purchased before. Like, it really lights up a room. This is Sam's room. It's pretty dark in here. You can take them outside. Like, we use them all the time. We got a 4-pack, really great price. There's a link above or below or somewhere that you can purchase them if you're interested. The batteries last a long time. They're great. Like I showed you, there's different settings. Let me see, where'd they go here? Little dimmer, little dimmer. But look at it, it still lights up the room like great. Even dimmer. And then if you're done with it, you don't want to use it anymore, you just close it. Just push it like this. They're waterproof, magnetic, come with batteries, have different light settings. They're excellent, excellent light. So again, you can find them in the description, the link for them, and we are just thrilled to have these. Super awesome. And there's 4 of them, so we just keep them in different rooms. So if we need one, we walk in the door, in the living room, in the bathroom, you just pull it open. Easy peasy.